bikes.
He's gonna go down the hill. Go, do it. Be careful. Put your feet up.
Whoa, look at Takuma. Whoa. Whoa.
All right.
That's why we wear helmets, though, right?
Good job, buddy.
Okay, who's next? Who's going to be next? Okay, Jojo, be careful now.
Just go straight across. You don't even have to turn. Just go all the way straight across the other side.
Be careful. Up and down. Yeah, that's smart. Do it like that.
Good job!
Good. Yay! Hey, good job. You did it.
Good job, Jojo. You did it.
You got a fan. Look. Part of your fan club right here.
He's got tummies on his shirt. Oh, Jojo.
What do you think? You're going to do that again? That was fun, huh? Hmm? Maybe. Whoa, here comes Takuma again.
Good job. Nice job.